Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I'll show you how to adjust margins in MS Word 2013. Let's start now. Open Microsoft Word document. Then go to page layout. Select margins, and you can see there have many margins option. First option, all are 0, top, bottom, left and right all are 0. And second, normal option, there have margins top 1 inch and bottom 1 inch and left 1 inch and right 1 inch. And narrow is a top 0.5 inch and bottom 0.5 inch, left 0.5 inch and right 0.5 inch. And moderate is top 1 inch and bottom 1 inch and left 0.75 inch and right 0.75 inch. And wide is top 1 inch, bottom 1 inch and left 2 inch and right 2 inch. And mirrored is 1 inch top and bottom 1 inch, inside 1.25 inch and outside 1 inch. You can change margins using custom margins. Then you can change as you want. You can easily change margin using custom margins. Then OK. So if you want change margins or adjust margins, go to page layout and then select margins. There have many options. You can select as you want. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.